untouched, unstoppable, perfect. This is the story of the shark, the ocean's perfect predator. Sharks live in oceans all around the world, from warm tropical waters to cold, deep seas. They are everywhere. There are more than 500 different species of sharks, each one adapted to its own environment. Some are small, no bigger than a human hand, while others, like the great white shark, can grow over 6 meters long. Despite their differences, all sharks share certain features that make them extraordinary hunters. Their bodies are built for movement, streamlined, powerful, designed to cut through water with almost no resistance. Their skin is covered with tiny tooth-like structures, reducing drag, allowing them to swim faster and more efficiently. Their tails generate powerful thrust, pushing them forward with strength and speed. But what truly makes sharks dangerous is not just their body, it is their senses. A shark does not rely on just one sense to hunt. It uses many, working together in perfect harmony. Its sense of smell is incredibly strong. It can detect tiny amounts of blood in the water from far away. Its hearing is sensitive, picking up low-frequency sounds, like the movement of struggling prey. Its vision is adapted for the ocean, allowing it to see clearly even in low light. But perhaps the most fascinating sense is something almost unbelievable. Sharks can detect electrical signals. Every living creature in the water produces tiny electrical impulses from muscle movements, from the heartbeat. Sharks can sense these signals, even when the prey is hidden. This ability makes escape almost impossible. When a shark hunts, it does not rush blindly. It circles, observing, analyzing, waiting. It approaches carefully, often from below, where it is harder to see. The water above becomes a bright surface, making the shark nearly invisible from beneath. Then, in a sudden burst, it attacks. Fast, precise, powerful. Its jaws open wide, rows of sharp teeth ready. These teeth are not just sharp, they are constantly replaced. If one breaks, another moves forward. A shark can go through thousands of teeth in its lifetime. The bite is strong, but it is not always the end. Many sharks use a test bite to understand what they are attacking. If it is natural prey, they return to finish the hunt. This is not cruelty. This is instinct. This is survival. Sharks feed on a variety of animals. Fish, seals, squid. Some even eat plankton, filtering tiny organisms from the water. Not all sharks are aggressive. In fact, most sharks are not dangerous to humans, but their reputation comes from their efficiency as predators. They are at the top of the ocean food chain, apex predators, and this role is important. By controlling populations of other animals, sharks help maintain balance in the ocean ecosystem. Without them, the entire system can change. But sharks are not always hunting. Much of their life is spent moving, swimming constantly, covering vast distances. Some species migrate across entire oceans, following food, following temperature, following instinct. Unlike many fish, some sharks must keep moving to breathe. Sharks reproduce in different ways. Some lay eggs, hidden in protective cases. Others give birth to live young. In some species, the strongest embryos survive inside the mother, even before birth. It is a harsh beginning, but it prepares them for the world they will enter. When a baby shark is born, it is already independent. There is no parental care, no protection, no guidance. From the very first moment, it must survive on its own. It must hunt, avoid danger, and grow, because even sharks can become prey. Larger sharks can hunt smaller ones. In the ocean, survival is never guaranteed. A shark's life can last for decades. Some species live 20 to 30 years, others even longer. During this time, they become masters of their environment, perfectly adapted, perfectly balanced. But today, sharks face a threat unlike anything in their history. Humans, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction are reducing shark populations around the world. Many sharks are caught accidentally. Others are hunted for their fins. This has led to a serious decline in their numbers. And when sharks disappear, the ocean suffers. Because removing a top predator creates imbalance. Smaller species increase, food chains shift, ecosystems weaken. Protecting sharks means protecting the ocean itself. But beyond their role in nature, sharks are something more. They are a symbol of survival, a species that has lived through mass extinctions, through changes in the planet, through millions of years of evolution. They have remained almost unchanged because they are already perfect for what they do. So the next time you think of the ocean, don't just think of its beauty. Think of what lies beneath. A world of silence, of mystery, of movement without sound. And somewhere in that world, a shark is swimming, calm, focused, unstoppable, not hunting out of anger, not driven by emotion, but by instinct, a true master of the deep, the ocean's perfect predator. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should